Hello, fellow Thunderbirds. Now that you have taken your assessment and chosen your path, I have a tip on how to work with pop-up windows. So you're going to want to go to toastmasters.org and log in. Click on Pathways and click on Learn More. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to Pathways FAQ. Click on Pathways FAQ. And there are lots of questions answered here, but what we're going to do is go to number 13. Why do I need to disable my pop blockers? That might be pop-up blockers on Basecamp, and how do I do so? Click on that, and you will get an explanation of why they are using pop-up windows, and specifically how to allow them according to your browser. Just simply click on one of these links, whatever is appropriate for the browser that you're using, and it makes it very easy. Chrome, Internet Explorer, Edge, and Safari support. So really, this is a very important thing to learn how to do, because if you don't allow pop-up windows, you will not be able to access anything in Pathways. So that is your first step. That is all for now.